You can have great investments, strong tax planning, and a clean estate plan. But without the right insurance structure, the entire system can still be exposed. Most investors think of their advisor as the person who manages portfolios and their investments, but few realize that insurance, life, disability, long-term care, and business coverage can play a meaningful role in shaping a complete financial plan. And that's exactly why we approach it differently. At Puzzle Wealth Solutions, we look at insurance as part of a coordinated strategy, not as some standalone product. If you're new here, my name is David Millington. I'm the president of Puzzle Wealth Solutions. Our team of CFPs, certified exit planning attorneys, and AWMA professionals approach wealth management holistically, connecting investments, tax planning, estate design, and risk evaluation so each piece of your financial puzzle fits together. Over the years, I've seen how often insurance becomes a neglected area. Many clients have policies they purchased at some random time in their life, but those policies rarely tie back to their larger goals today. So let's walk through how we approach this thoughtfully and strategically. First, let's look at life insurance. Most people know life insurance, but very few have reviewed it properly, or even really thought about it. We go beyond the simple buy term and invest the difference mindset. Term coverage can work well for income replacement or debt payoff, but we also review existing permanent policies to confirm they're still serving their intended purpose. Many of those older contracts, they were built under different assumptions that no longer apply today to our clients. When lifetime coverage is appropriate, often inside things like an ILIT, which is an irrevocable life insurance trust, we'll coordinate with the state attorneys to confirm ownership, funding, and beneficiary designations still align with the broader plan. The real question becomes, why keep paying for a policy if it no longer supports your long-term objectives? Next, let's tackle disability coverage. For executives, professionals, business owners, wealthy retirees, their income is one of their most important assets. We help clients understand what coverage they already have through work, where the gaps may be, and whether supplemental protection makes sense if something like a disability creeps in. It's not about products. It's about identifying exposure if the unthinkable happens and helping clients make informed decisions. Next, business insurance. For my business owners out there, the stakes are real high. We evaluate key person and buy-sell coverage. When a company's value depends on a few individuals, an unexpected death, or disability, sometimes forgotten, can create major disruption. These policies help maintain continuity or fund a buyout if something happens to a partner. We provide the planning framework and, when needed, collaborate with seasoned insurance specialists to design the right structure for you. That allows us to remain objective while giving clients access to solutions that fit their needs. Finally, let's talk about long-term care, an area that has really evolved over the decades. Standalone long-term care policies have become expensive, outdated, and rather inflexible. So we often evaluate hybrid structures that combine life insurance, or even an annuity sometimes, with long-term care benefits. These hybrids can be attractive because long-term care benefits, when used, are received tax-free, often resulting in a very favorable internal rate of return. And if care is never needed, we typically structure the policies so that the client or their beneficiaries receive a death benefit roughly equal to premiums paid plus a very slight amount of growth. It's a practical approach that supports longevity planning while maintaining flexibility. So to bring this all together, at Puzzle Wealth, insurance isn't about selling a policy and moving on. It's about examining areas of exposure and determining whether insurance can play a productive role in addressing that exposure. By integrating these decisions within investments, taxes, and estate planning, we help create a more cohesive and intentional structure, one that reflects the complexity of your financial life, whether you knew that or not. If you'd like to review your existing exposure or explore how these strategies might fit into your broader plan, please click the link in the description of the video below to schedule a consultation. We'll take a detailed look at your structure and discuss what may align with your objectives. At Puzzle Wealth Solutions, we specialize in helping high net worth clients plan more confidently for the future with personalized strategies that go beyond the basics. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy it, please like it and subscribe for more insights on advanced planning and long-term strategy. So remember, until next time, as always, stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your wealth.